Okay, guys, I'm gonna have the most ugly person and the most annoying sound. First, let's go to the most ugly person. Talon.
Yes.
The most ugly person.
Yeah, I'm ugly.
He's ugly. Now, the most annoying sound.
That's not annoying.
Well, it hurts your voice making it.
It's not annoying at all.
Then what is annoying?
That was annoying.
Yeah. That's one of the most ugly faces also. I'm not ugly though. They're ugly. I'm a dog.
I quit this. I quit
Who is
this.
ugly?
I quit.
Zayden, Talon, or me? Periscope Giraffe. Make sure you subscribe because we're doing a challenge against my friend, well, my sister's friend, and
But you
my
don't have to if
sister.
you don't want to.
But please, so we win the challenge.
Why
Also, make sure you subscribe to Foxconn Gamer because he's part of the challenge too. Me and him are subscribers.
the most annoying sound.
Boom, just connected.
The most annoying sound is air.
There's no sound at all.
No, the most annoying sound is Mr. Krabs walking.
La 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 la. That's most annoying sound.
Guys, I quit. I quit. And also, Mason has a gold silver dollar. You guys
Shut
know.
up.
Comment down below if you know
Shut up.
a silver dollar. Comment down below.
Everyone comment shut up. Make sure he shuts his mouth. Shut your mouth.
He's
Sorry, guys.
like mean, so don't trust him. He's my second cousin. So
I'm his second favorite cousin. My brother's his
Braxton's
first.
my first.
That's my
And
brother.
he's really
You hardly even see Braxton.
I don't think
It's
he's
weird.
still.
And I don't even know how to cut that out.
Hey guys, what's up, man?
In my next video, I'll probably be using an editing app, or I'll have my brother do it. I don't edit my videos. Only my brother does. He'll edit mine probably.
Oh, you never put comments on your video.
What?
Comments.
Well,
Well,
I'm just probably gonna edit my next video, or have my brother do it since I don't know how.
no.
But today I have my second to last game. Sorry I didn't show you guys my medal. I stayed the night at Talon's house. Talon, turn around. I'm not showing you again.
No.
I'm at his house. He's being mean. That's his ugly house. I'm probably gonna have
Wait, you have a game today?
got my brother edit my next video since I have no idea how to edit. Gonna edit my next video, probably using Filmora,
Oh yeah, guys.
or others.
If you make YouTube videos, give us some more of those.
Yep.
If you want to make great
Filmora is the
videos,
sponsor of this video.
yeah, totally the sponsor.
Yeah, Filmora is the sponsor of this video. I have no idea how to show you Filmora, so you don't get to see it. Sorry.
Yeah, we totally are getting sponsored.
There's no sponsor at all. Bye-bye.